low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the put.
Good morning. Today we are here at
What's very fun?
yes, and we are in the queue for Ghost Rider for the first ride of the day. So are you looking forward to today, Alison?
Yes, and I cannot wait to get on this.
Yeah, so as you might be able to see, we are troying it up today. But yeah, so we're going to start the day on a bit of wood and we'll see you in a bit. We've just had our first ride there of the day on Ghost Rider. Alison, what did you think to that?
I really love that. I can't wait to get back on that later on tonight rather than the late ride.
Yeah. So obviously last time I rode it, it was rough as fuck and I've never tried it again. Obviously it's been retracked, got new trains, and yeah, that's a good coaster now. So can't wait to ride that when it warms up later. But the queues today are massive. I've got like a weird, you can tell I've got coaster hair going on. Anyway, we're going to go walk around the park, see where we come to, and do the next ride. We'll see you in a bit. So we just had a ride there on Silver Bullet. What did you think of that, Alison?
I really like that. It's nice and smooth. And it kept, like, I thought it was almost finished and they just kept adding more elements. It kept going on and on and on. It was great.
Yeah, really good, nice, intense B&M Invert, and obviously it's the last day of Nemesis closing in the UK, and we're out here at Knott Farm, so we rode that one for you, Nemi, and we'll see you in a couple of years. Anyway, let's go and walk around. The park is really busy today. It is a Sunday. The queues are mostly over an hour for family attractions, but yet the the thrill ride seems to be 10 to 15 minutes, which is quite good. So let's carry on for a walk, maybe get a beer. Beer?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a beer. You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. You alright?
I'm good. So, since we last spoke to you, we have popped out, had some dinner, and then we've now ridden the log flume, and we've just ridden the rapids. We've got the water rides out of the way. Alison, what do you think of the log flume?
The log flume was really quick, and it's a shame really because I missed loads of stuff that were going on in the scenes.
Oh, Jesus Christ, the sun is to kill him.
But yeah, so like the quickest rapids I think I've ever been on.
Quickest log flume?
The water flow, yeah, sorry, the water flow was really quick on it.
Yeah, definitely. And then the rapids, what do you think of the rapids?
Yeah, I got more wet than needed again.
Yeah, I'm bone dry again. But yeah, we're just doing a double lap of the park now. The sun is killing me. Oh, there you go. I'm back, I can see again now. So yeah, so we're just doing a walk around the park, getting some more footage, doing some more rides, and we'll see you in a bit. So, since we've seen you, we've done the drop tower. How was that for you?
That was good. I've never done one where it's kind of dropped, but then kind of launched you back up again.
So basically, Alison's only done shoot. She has never done the dropped version of them. So yeah. And then we just did the Calgary Candy Mountain Railway Charlie Rough to Candy Mountain. How was that?
Really cute. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was really creepy because I remember it being a gold mine. Now it's all about candy. So we're going to go and get a hoodie because the temperature has dropped. So I'm going shopping. And then yeah, we're going
to show some merch off.
We're not showing merch off, it's too expensive. We'll show merch at Six Flags where it's cheap. But yeah, then we're going to go and do some night rides because as you can tell it's starting to go dark. So more night rides tonight, let's go. So we just had a go there on Knott's Farms shooting game, and what did you think of that, Alison?
That was amazing, but my arm is really hurting.
Yeah.
I'm second of all time.
Ooh! No, that's not me. I only got 130. Anyway, so as you can see, I completely whooped everyone's ass like I always do on shooting games, and best of the day, I'm not even on best of the day at the moment. How dare they? Let's go back on. Did you enjoy that?
I did, but I didn't realise it was such hard work to shoot the guns.
Yeah, it's one of those where you have to pull them to shoot the guns, not as a shooting. So yeah, some arm aches, but it was good fun. It's actually gone dark outside. We'll go this way. It's gone dark outside, so we are going to go and do some night rides. Let's go. So we just had a ride there on Jaguar. What did you think of that, Alison?
I really like that. I do like it this side where my
Yeah, it's a good little kids coaster. It was advertised at a 2-hour wait. It wasn't. It was probably 15-20 minutes. The park is still busy. I don't know what's going on. It's a Sunday. I don't know why these kids aren't in bed, ready to go to school. It's pissing me off. But we're going to go and do some more night rides and enjoy ourselves. We have switched over to the phone because the camera footage is not coming out great at the moment, so we switched to the phone. So we do apologise if the quality changes massively, but we're on the phone. Let's go. So we've just had a night ride there on Ghost Rider. What did you think of that, Alison?
Oh my god, that was insane.
Yeah.
That was quick.
It was good. It wasn't the Beast. It wasn't Troy, but it was good. It was good. I don't even know who I am anymore. I really am starting to like Woodies at the moment, which is quite worrying for me. Anyway, guys, we're going to go and do some more night rides. We'll see you in a bit. So we've just finished our day here at Knott's Farm. What did you think of the park, Alison?
I've had a really good day. That goes up in one of my favourite parts.
Yeah, so it was really, really busy. We did actually end up getting all the credits apart from Accelerator because obviously it's down at the moment. But yeah, it was a good day. We are now going to walk back down the road.
I was going to say iDrive then, but it's not iDrive.
It's not iDrive. We're going to walk down the California iDrive back to our hotel, and then tomorrow we're going back to Six Flags Magic Mountain. So like I said in the previous vlog, Magic Mountain will be a 2-day, 1-day vlog. That makes sense. Anyway, until then, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.